So good morning, all of you. All of you, please close your eyes. Join your hands, okay? Oh Lord, we give you thanks for your mercy and kindness to grant us this beautiful day. Bless our parents, teachers, and all our dear and near ones. Bless, heal the people, those who are suffering from COVID-19. Bless us, fill with your wisdom. Help us to learn and earn knowledge. We ask your blessings. Amen. Okay. All of you open your eyes. So last day we started with some games, means some exercise with the fingers. So today we will do some exercise. Today also we will start with some exercise. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So today we will jump. We will jump. Okay. So ma'am will tell one, then you have to jump once. Okay. Then ma'am will tell you two, then two. Two steps you have to jump. Like that. Okay. If ma'am will say three times. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So all of you please stand up. Please stand up, all of you. Madhav, stand up. Oh, Advait BS, where are you standing? Okay, Alex, stand up. Okay. So ma'am will say one, you have to jump once. Okay. Okay. One, jump once. Okay. And if I say two times. One, two. Okay. If I say three steps. Dhyan, are you jumping or not? So we will start again. Nihal's brother came for jumping. Okay, so we will start together. Okay. Ma'am will say one, that time one time, one step only. Okay. Ma'am will say two, that time two step, two times. Okay. So we'll start once again. One. Okay. Two. So two times. Two times is two steps. One, two, like that. Not from the same place. Okay. Don't stand in the same place. Jump forward. Two steps. Okay. So three. Okay. You are not interested to the exercise. Meenakshi is very good doing. What about others? What happened, Karthik? Exercise is good for health, no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So one more time we will do. After that we will come to our class. Okay. So one. Evelyn, where are you standing? On the chair? Eh? Come down. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, come down. Stand on the floor.
Mathematics and even
Okay, once more. Again, one,
back to do textbook back to
two.
do
Aradhya, three. Okay. Enough. All of you please sit down. All of you please sit down. Yesterday, means day before yesterday, Preetiman taught you the directions. Yes or no? Which are the two directions? Which are the two directions she taught you?
Addition. Right and left. Right and left.
This
Right, left.
and right. Right and left. Okay. Show me the right direction. Show me the right hand or right direction. Right hand. All of you right hand. Okay. Very good. So usually we are taking using this hand for taking food. No? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Hands down. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now today we are going to study another method of addition. That is addition using number line. Addition using number line. You know what is addition, but there is a new word came. Number line. Yes or no? Okay. Okay, Nived, what is addition? Are you remembering? Addition means?
Putting together. The number together.
Addition means putting together. Addition means putting together. Now today we are going to study addition using number line. So we have to know what is a number line. So number line means a line marked with numbers. A line marked with the numbers. All of you keep a scale or ruler with you for the class. Show me the ruler or scale. Show me the ruler. Dhyan, where is the scale? Anyway, some of you have. See, this is a scale, we will say usually, but another name is a mathematically, we will say it is a ruler. Okay, here we can see the straight line. And on this straight line, numbers are marked. Yes or no? Can you see the numbers on the scale? Yes. On the ruler?
Yes.
Starting with which number? Starting with which number?
1.
Is it 1?
1.
Is it 1? Starting with which number? Starting with the 0. Look at carefully. Look at carefully. Okay. Starting with the 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will go. It will all go like that. Okay. So, and can you say something else about the scale or ruler? Starting with the number 0. Okay. Anything else? Anything else? What about the difference between the numbers? What about the distance between the numbers? Is it same or different?
Same.
Same or different?
Same.
It is same. It is same. The difference between the or distance between the or the gap between the numbers is same. Okay, it is equal everywhere. It is equal everywhere. 0 to 1 is same as 1 to 2, or 1 to 2 is same as 8 to 9. So the distance or gap between the numbers is same. Okay. Now gap between or distance between the numbers is same. Okay. This is an example for a number line. Okay, so what's a number line? Number line means a straight line. Okay, a line marked with the numbers. A line marked with the numbers. Understood? What is a number line? A line marked with the numbers. That line is a straight line. That line is a straight line. And before that, you want to know what is a line? Yes or no? What is a line? Line means it is a straight line and extends both ends. Extends both ends means we can extend the line in both directions. Both directions. So the number line I will show on the board. I will draw for you. Then it will be more clear to you. Okay. Let me share the screen. Can you see the screen? Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Can I write?
No. Listen to ma'am. Listen to me. Here I will explain first. You will understood. Then only will write in the notebook. Okay. If you will not get time to write in the notebook, I will send in the WhatsApp. We have to draw the number line, so it will take time. So sometimes you will not get time to complete here in the notebook. So you have to copy from the group. Okay. Will you do it? Yes. Okay. Now. So let me draw the number line on the board. Okay. Let me draw the number line on the board. It's very, very important. Okay. And not only that, in between, no need to ask ma'am, I lied, ma'am. I will tell you when you have to open your notebook. Okay. Listen to ma'am. Look at the board. It's very, very important. And now we are going to draw the number line. Okay. N-U-M-B-E-R. Number L-I-N-E line. Number line. What is a number line? A line marked with the numbers. A line marked with the numbers. Understood? A line marked with the numbers. That we will call it as number line. Now I'm going to draw the number line. I'm going to draw the number line. So I'm going to draw the number line. Let me use the ruler. That's better, no? So it's easy for you also. If I draw the ruler, I don't know. Anyway, I think the board is very sensitive. So I will draw with my hand. Okay. So I'm going to draw one line. So when we have to draw, we are drawing first the line, and we put the two arrows at both ends. What's the meaning of that? We can extend in both directions. Okay, it is a line. Line can be extended in both directions. That means we can extend the length of the line in both directions, left and right. Okay, so we draw first the line. We put the arrows in both directions. Okay, what is the meaning of this arrow? We can extend to infinity. Means the length of the line is infinite. Okay, now I am marking the numbers. Okay, before that I want to mark the points. That means here I mark. So here I mark. If I marked here and here, the distance between these two marks should be same as the next one. Okay, if I mark here, I should mark here, 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 here. Okay, and now we can see the distance between the marked points are same. Now, which number we will start? Is it 0 or 1?
0.
We will start with the 0. So let us write the number 0. What's the next one?
1.
1. Then
2. 2.
ah,
3. 3.
ah,
4. 5. 5.
ah.
6. 7. 8. 9.
I marked up to 9, 0 to 9. If I mark more, just mark here and write the number 10. That's enough. Okay, that's enough. Now, if I am drawing the line, listen to here. Okay, I am drawing another number line. Look at the number line. See, I draw the line. I put both arrows in, at the both ends, and I mark like this. And I starting with the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is it right?
No.
It is wrong. Why it is wrong? I draw the line. I put the arrows in both the ends. I mark the numbers also starting with the 0. What is it? What is wrong here? What is wrong here? What is wrong here? What is wrong here?
Number.
The distance between the numbers, it is not same. See here, 0 to 1 is small, no? But see, 1 to 2 is different. 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7. Everywhere it is different. So this is a wrong number line. Understood? This is a wrong number line. So I'm going to rub that. So this is a number line. Okay, this is a number line. What is special in number line? Line marked with the numbers, and the distance between the numbers should be same. I can do another way also. Listen to me. Okay, look at the screen. See, here I marked on the lines. No, see, here I am marking like this. I can do this also. Means here also the same. Means starting with the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here you can see the distance between the numbers is same or different? Same. Same. So this is right. Okay, this is right. The distance between the numbers is same. Okay, so when we draw the number line, we should keep in mind the point that the distance between the numbers should be same. Understood? The distance between the numbers should be same. Now let us see how we will use this number line for addition. Okay, let us see how we will use the number line for addition. First of all, let us add 2 and 3. Okay, let us add 2 and 3. 2 and 3. How we will add 2 and 3 on the number line? Okay. Okay. So listen here. Which is the first number here? Which is
2.
It is 2. Let us see where is a 2 here on the number line. This is a 2 here, no?
Second.
This one. Now, which number is number we are adding to the number 2? Which number we are adding? 3. So So in the beginning we jump, no? 3 steps. The same way we will jump here also. Okay. So we are jumping. 2 is jumping. Okay. How many times? 3 times. The second number is 3. So 2 is jumping 3 times. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So where we reach which number?
5.
Five. 5. So we jump forward, no? Forward. Okay, if I are jumping or walking this side, it is forward. Okay, if you are doing like this, it is backward. Okay, so we jump forward. When we are doing addition on a number line, we are jumping forward direction. Okay, forward direction, or this is my right hand. Okay, this is my right hand. We will move to the right direction. Okay, we will move to the right hand. Okay, so we jump 3 times and we reach which number? 5. So the last number here. When we jump, we reach which number?
6.
We reach which number?
5.
Oh, 5. The number, the number we got 5. So the answer. So we can write 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So we got the answer. So this is the addition fact. So we use number line for addition. Understood? 2 plus 3 is equal to 5?
Yes.
Yes.
Good. So we will do once more. What we done first of all, we draw the line first. Okay. We put both arrows in both ends. Okay. Why we put the arrows? Because line means it will extend in both direction. Okay. Line means the end point. There is no end point for line. It will extend in both directions. Okay, so that's why we put the arrows in both directions, and we marked the numbers by keeping the mind what, keep the distance between the numbers same. Okay, then we just saw the first number, that is 2. So 2 we marked first. Then which number we are going to add with the 2? That is 3, or the second number is 3. So we have to jump 3 times. So we jump 3 times. We move to, after jumping, we reach the number 5. So the answer is 5. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Okay. So we will do one more. Okay, we will do one more. Then we will write in the notebook. So no need to write now. Listen to ma'am. Okay, now let us see the number 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4.
Yeah.
What we have to do first? We have to draw the line. After that, what is the next time? Next step? Put the arrows.
Arrows.
Okay. Then mark the points. See, here I mark, here I mark, here I mark, here, here, here. It will go there like that. Okay. Okay. Now, starting with which number?
0.
0. So let us write the numbers. Let us write. No. Listen to ma'am. 0, 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3, 4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7. Go like that. Okay.
9,
Now,
10.
the first number here. Which is the first number?
3.
3. So let us mark 3 on the number line. So this is 3. Okay. This is 3. Which number we are adding to the number 3?
4.
4. Or the second number is 4. So how many jumps you have to do? How many jumps?
4.
Okay. 1, 2,
2,
3, 4. So where we reach? Which number? 7. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Understood? Now, all of you please take your notebook. Please take your notebook. Please take your notebook. Take a new page. Take a notebook. Take a new page.
First നമ്മൾ line വേറെ വെള്ളിട്ടത് 0 തൊട്ട്
Okay. So are you ready with the notebook and pencil? And write A D D I T I O N. A D D I T I O N. A D D I T I O N. U S I N G. U S I N G. Addition using what? What we use today for adding the number?
Number line.
Number line, not simply line, it is number line. Addition using the number line. N U M B E R. Number. L I N E. Addition using the number line. Addition using the number line. A D D I T I O N. Addition. U S I N G using T H E, the. N U M B E R, number. L I N E, line. Addition using the number line.
Addition.
A D D I T I O N. Addition. U S I N G using T H E, the. N U M B E R, number. L I N E, line. Number line. Shall we write? Next line. A line. A L I N E, line. M A R K E D. A line marked. M A R K E D, marked. A line marked. M A R K E D, mark. M A R K E D, mark. W I T H. W I T H, with. A line marked with what? What will be the next word? What is the next word? A line marked with
Number line.
numbers. N U M B E R S, numbers. A line marked with numbers. A line marked with numbers. A line marked with numbers. IS is. A line marked with numbers is. CALLED, called. A line marked with numbers is called THE, the. NUMBER, number. LINE, line. A line marked with numbers is called the number line.
Ma'am, please say.
Yes, you can write. I will wait for you. After writing, just inform me.
Ma'am, I finished.
It's okay. Be quiet, let others also complete it. Okay, then we will move. A line marked with the numbers called the number line.
I finish.
Now finish. Shall we move to the next line?
Yes.
Yes.
No.
And first we are going to have the first one. Okay, and that is 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. Answer. So first we have to draw the line. So use the ruler. Ruler means scale and draw the line. After drawing the line, straight line, put arrows at the both ends. Benny, show me the notebook. Okay, everyone, very good, very good handwriting. Okay, very good. Okay, Benny, okay. Okay, Wilfred, this I asked, that's all. Okay, Wilfred, okay. So we draw the number line. What is the next step? We have to mark the numbers. Okay, so we can mark. So mark the number. So it's very important. We are starting with which number? 0. We are starting with which number? 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you can't mark up to 8, it's okay, no problem. Or 6 or 7, that's enough. Okay, it will depend upon your book. How many lines are there? That it will depend upon your book. So we mark the numbers. When we mark the numbers, we have to keep it in mind that we have to keep the distance, equal distance between the numbers. And here we have the first number. Which is the first number? First number is 2. So we can mark 2 on the number line. 2 on the number line. And which number we are adding to 2? It is 3. Okay. So how many germs we have to take? How many germs? 3. So we can count 3 steps. So 1, 2, 3. So put there also one arrow. That means we reach the number. Which number?
5.
5. And we jumped forward direction of the right direction. Then we can write the answer. That means 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. And next 3 plus 4. Take time and do it. Okay, no problem. 3 plus 4. I just write the question, that's all.
Ma'am, I finish.
Okay. Those who have completed, they can do the number. They can do the In question 3.
We draw another line.
Yeah, we have to draw the another one. This one is completed. First one is completed. Then we have to draw again another number line. On that we have to add 3 plus
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
അവനെന്ന് തന്നെ അറിയിക്കും
7. അങ്ങനെയുണ്ട് 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
0.
9, 10.
ഇതിന്റെ ചോദ്യം 3+4
2, 3, 4, 5.
So here which is the first number? Which is the first number? It is 3. So mark 3 and we are adding the number 4 to the number 3. So how many jumps you have to do? You have to take how many jumps? 4 jumps. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So where we reach which number? We reach at 7. So 3.
7.
Very good. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Those who have not completed, it's okay. The same I will put in the WhatsApp now itself after after this class. Okay, so you can write from there. Advait PS completed. Can you show me the notebook?
Yes. Ma'am, I completed.
Very good, very good. Use the ruler. Okay, then we can draw that line.
Ma'am, completed.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, good.
Ma'am, this task completed.
Okay, okay. So it's time to winding up the session today. So hope you understood the concept. So we will meet tomorrow. Okay, not tomorrow, day after tomorrow. So thank you all. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.